How to change the filters on a Dyson Ball vacuum. This is a DC40, but the process is the same on many other models. The first filter we're changing is the pre-motor cone filter inside the cyclone. To access this, remove the bin. Pull up on the front part of the carrying handle, and it will lift back like this. Pull the old filter out, then fit the new filter in its place. Close the handle until it clicks, then replace the bin. Now we're going to change the HEPA filter. This filter lives inside the ball. Undo the center of the ball. Then lift off the outer shell. The old filter simply twists anti-clockwise and pulls off. Now let's fit the new filter. Look for the small arrow on the inside edge of the filter, and this will line up with the arrow on the vacuum. Twist the filter clockwise until it locks into position. Now you can see what I mean about the arrows lining up. Screw the outer shell back on. Keep turning it until you eventually hear a click. Finally, make sure the ball is spinning freely and your task is complete.
This guy sucks.